This is a plank. This should be a staple in every exercise program. And there are a few ways to do a plank to strengthen your entire body, not just your core, but your entire body. What I like about the plank is you actually strengthen your shoulders, all the ligaments and tendons in your wrist, elbows, and shoulders, and your entire core. So take your hands, put them on the ground. You're going to be in tabletop. You're going to extend one leg, get on your toes, extend the other leg on your toes. Make sure your wrists are in alignment with your shoulders. This is a standard plank. Now, if this is too much for your wrist, you can always get on your elbows. So you're going to lay flat on your stomach, ball your fist up, make sure your elbows are in line with your shoulders, tuck your toes, lift it up. So this is a plank on the forearms, and then this is a plank on your hands. Now, one thing to note is when you do these planks, do not relax your body down and do not arch it and pike it up. This is not a plank. This is not a plank. You want to make sure you're in correct form, looking down at the ground, holding for as long as you can. Now on the elbows, it's the same thing. When you bring it up, this is not a plank. You're going to put strain on the lower back. And this is not a plank either. You want to come nice with the weight distributed over from shoulders to the elbows, fist down. And once you build up strength, you're able to go as long as you're able to go, which hopefully that's long. And you're able to build a strong core. That is the plank.